Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about bill creation process in SAP IS-U billing and invoicing modules. So the bill creation process, first we create the meter reading order. When we create meter reading order, then billing order is automatically get created. So just we have to create the MRO, billing order is automatically get created. After MRO entry, we get the meter readings, then we upload the meter readings, that is your meter reading entry. Once we upload the meter reading, then validations starts. System checks the validation as per our configuration, as per the requirements, and once meter pass the validations rules, then this meter becomes your plausible. If meter reads fails the validations, then it becomes implausible. So once the meter becomes the implausible, then manual intervention is required. After manual intervention, we do the correction of the meter readings. Then again, meter readings get plausible because we bills only are on your plausible meter readings. So after that, according to the billing orders, we do the bill. So that is your billing. When we create the billing, then billing documents get created. After that, we do the invoicing. At the time of the invoicing, your print document get created, and after that we do the bill printouts. Then we send the bill to the customers, and then we receive the payment against that bills. So this is your bill creation process. And what are the billing procedures? The following billing procedures are supported. Periodic billing is consumption billing carried out on a regular basis. Floating back billing is a form of monthly periodic billing. If necessary, values from previous month in a billing years are recalculated and back billed using a current value. Period end billing is carried out separately after a billing cycle. Periodic billing can, if necessary, be recalculated and back billed. Interim billing is not controlled by scheduling functions and can be carried out manually at any time upon customer request. For examples, final billing is a trigger when a customer moves out. In the budget billing plan, an average amount is determined either by simulation or manually. The customer pay this average amount for a period of 12 months. At the end of this period, a new simulation is run for the next period. In average monthly billing, equalized billing, the customer is charged an average amount based on billing over the next 12 months, or less in the case of new customer. So this is the my friends billing procedures means periodic billing, floating back billing, period end billing, interim billing, final billing, budget billing, average monthly billing, and equalized billing. So this type of the billings procedures are there. Now we will talk about business objects utility services. So business objects utility services. So business master data are there. So in business master data, business partners we create, then we create a contract account. At the time of moving, a contract get created, and then we create your technical master data. In technical master data, we create your connection object, premise installations, device locations. All these are your technical master data, POD, point of delivery. Then device master data. In device master data, we create your register, device categories, and device. So all these are your device master data. So connection object and the address. So we do the link between your connection object and business partner through the address, because in business partner we also maintain the address, in connection object we also maintain the address. So from connection object we do the link with the regional structure. We create the regional structure. In regional structure we create your district hierarchy. We create the in regional structure, cities, postal code, all the things we create in the regional structure. Link between contract, test, and SAP utilities. So this is a business scenario. Here it is showing here. So all these are the rate categories. Here consumption price. Here rates are determined. The link between contract test and SAP. The rate category classifies the installation for the billing. The following are the some examples of the rate categories: household rate, commercial rate with demand measurements, industrial rate, minimum consumption rate, basic price rate 1, basic price rate 2, domestic water, reserve water for the firefighting. So this is a business scenario which is, so this is your rate type, means rate category, which type of the customer we are dealing, rate type, what type of the rate, like your on peak off peak rates. Suppose for the off peak rate is 0.24 USD per kilowatt hour, on peak rate 0.24 USD plus 0.11 USD. Here average price limitations, energy prices. So for the different type of the rate type, different prices are there. So according to that we create the your billing master data. We create the rate structure as per the needs. So we should know about all the things. What is active energy and reactive energy? Definition: active power is the power that continuously flows from the sources to load in an electric circuit. Reactive power is the power that continuously flows from source to load and returns back to the source in an electric circuit. So that is also a very important topics we should know as a consultant. What is the difference between active and reactive power? Active power is useful energy. Active power is the power that continuously flows from source to lead in an electric circuit. Active power is called as real power or watt full power or true power or actual power. Active power is denoted by the capital letter P. You can calculate the active power by using the following formula. Active power is equals voltage into current into cos theta. It is measured in watt, kilowatt, megawatt. For measuring the active power, a wattmeter is required. The power flow in only one direction with respective t. time. Active power is utilized dissipated in the circuit through the connected resistive load. It consumes useful power by the load. It works in both AC and DC circuit. It converts electrical energy into other forms of energy like optical, thermal, and mechanical. In an electric circuit, active power contributes to the current component, which is the phase with circuit voltage. Active power is used in incandescent light, even coffee makers, iron toaster, heater, machine, etc. This is the example where it is used. Reactive power is waste energy. So reactive power is a waste energy, useless power. Reactive power is the power that continuously flows from source to load and returns back to the source. In an electric circuit, reactive power is called as imaginary power or wattless power or useless power or complex power. So power generation company do the charges of the reactive power also. Mostly it is applied in industry where motors are used. Then reactive powers are used. Reactive power is denoted by the capital letter Q. You can calculate the reactive power by using the below formula. Reactive power is power into current into sine theta. It is measured in volt ampere reactive VAR or kilowatt ampere reactive kVAR or megavolt ampere reactive MVAR. For measuring the reactive power, a VAR meter is required. This power flow in both directions with respective time. Reactive power is stored in the circuit through the connected inductive load. It consumes useless power by the load. It works in an AC circuit. It does not convert energy, but it is produce the electrical or magnetic flux. In an electric circuit, reactive power contributes to the current component which is in out of phase with circuit voltage. Reactive power is used in fan, vacuum cleaners, dishwasher, washing machine, the compressor in the refrigerator, air conditioner, transformer, etc. To my friends, hopes today I give you all about the active powers and reactive powers, the details. In the next video, we will discuss link between contract text and SAP utilities. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.